Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by turning on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on both devices. Airdrop requires both radios. Once done, open Finder and locate the file you want to send. You don't need an app. Right-click the item or click the share icon and choose Airdrop. Make sure your Mac's Airdrop visibility is set to contacts only for known devices or everyone if the recipient isn't in your contacts. This immediately makes your Mac discoverable, so the next step can find the target device. You'll see nearby devices appear as icons in the Airdrop sheet. Click the correct one to begin. Once you tap the recipient, the Mac initiates a peer-to-peer Wi-Fi transfer. Bluetooth handles discovery and handshaking. Wi-Fi moves the data. If the recipient doesn't appear, click the prompt to refresh or ask them to open their Airdrop pane so their device advertises. Keep both devices awake and near each other. Airdrop uses a direct encrypted link, so when the recipient accepts, the file downloads directly to their Mac's Downloads folder or to Photos for Images. You'll see a progress indicator on your Mac. Once complete, verify the file opens correctly and is saved where you expect, then tidy up by renaming or moving it. If transfer stalls or the device never appears, set Airdrop to everyone briefly and toggle Bluetooth and Wi-Fi off and on. This simple reset resolves discovery issues in most cases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.